Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can get money on Cash App. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First of all, open the Cash App on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. Then tap on the money icon at bottom left corner of your screen and your amount of cash available will be displayed here. Now tap on the linked banks feature and make sure your bank account and card are already added to your Cash App account. After that, go back and tap on Add Cash. Now enter the amount of cash you would like to get on your Cash App and tap on Add. After that, your cash will be added. You can also get paid by referring Cash App to your friends. And that's how you can get money on Cash App. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.